Construction may be a familiar sight on military bases, but what about demolition? The 35th Civil Engineer Squadron's Pavement and Equipment Shop's airmen, the Dirt Boys, are responsible for both.
We're using excavator, dozer, loaders. We're just knocking out all the wood framing and trying to get the building safely down.
Typically, the Dirt Boys are busy making sure that the base and flight line are in prime condition.
We do a lot of base maintenance, like road repair, fence repair. We take care of all that sort of thing.
But when the opportunity comes by for a little destruction,
Yeah, most of the shop is younger airmen, so we get a lot of stick time in all the equipment.
masters of heavy equipment, the Dirt Boys are improving bases throughout the Air Force. Senior Airman Sarah Mitchell, Misawa Air Base, Japan.